Please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get notification for more informative videos.
Number 1. Consume lots of polyunsaturated fatty acids. This means plenty of vegetable oils such as canola oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, safflower oil, corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, flaxseed oil, and even large doses of fish oil. Number 2. Stay away from organic food, buy GMO food and heavily sprayed produce. A diet high in pesticides such as glyphosate will help promote fat gain. Glyphosate exposure causes a range of health damage on the body. Number 3. Skip sleep, sleep less than 7 hours every night. Even better than short sleep, aim to have the worst night's sleep possible, wake up frequently, have background noises disturbing you and go to bed at irregular times. Number 4. Do lots of chronic cardio. You might think that jogging at a medium intensity for hours and hours a week is counterintuitive to your fat gain goals. Well, think again. Number 5. Destroy your metabolism, become hypothyroid. Number 6. Lower your testosterone. Testosterone is a powerful fat burner in both men and women. Number 7. Avoid the sun, stay indoors. If you're looking to increase body fat levels, say goodbye to your tan and avoid sun exposure. Number 8. Eat more trans fats. Trans fats are man-made fatty acids that are associated with various health issues and fat gain. Number 9. Stress yourself out. The more stress in your life, in your body and in your environment, the more likely you are to gain body fat. Here are all the important tips, so follow them. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.